Hi guys, if you want to come to the US and work here, you need to apply for a job. But if you haven't done that before, you may not know where to start and how to do it. In this video, I'll teach you the job application process step by step with some useful tips that you must remember in the process. You will need some job search engines that will help you find the right jobs. Personally, I like to recommend these 3 search engines to start: Indeed, ZipRecruiter, and LinkedIn. You can sign up for free, customize your job search with keywords, job title, location, etc., and set up notifications to receive suggested jobs via email or text or both. But in order to sign up, you better have your resume ready, because you must either upload it or manually fill out the form. I recommend you have your resume file, because in addition to these job search engines, you need to upload it anyways whenever you apply for jobs from now. If you do not have it yet, watch this video. That will teach you how to write a good resume. When you get notifications, select the one that looks good to you and read the job description to see if you are a good fit with the position. If you find a job that you want to apply, you can do it right from the site or directly from the company website. Once you click on Apply button, this is a typical process for most companies. My information, my experience, application questions, voluntary disclosures, self-identify, review, and submit. As you see here, they ask you to upload your resume. So before we begin this process, it is critical that you take some time to do these 3 things, assuming you have your resume already as I suggested. First, read the job description very carefully. Second, highlight the keywords you can find from the company introduction, requirements, and qualifications. And third, sprinkle them throughout your resume, especially in the most recent work experience and skill section. If the job requires a skill, for example, project management skill, and if you have it, but you did not list it in your resume yet, make sure to put it in. Now, let's go over the process step by step. 1. My information. You can simply put in your basic information: name, address, email address, phone number. That's pretty much it. 2. Experience. Work experience. You can start from the most recent one: job title, company name, location, role description. In this role description section, you can put in your job responsibilities and achievements you had. And of course, you can add more work experience if you have. Next is education. You can put in simply the college name, degree, major. That's about it. And skills. I would put in about 10 skills. For example, communication, project management, change management, etc. And company websites. If you have your own company website, you can put it in here. And URLs, social media URLs, Facebook, Twitter, LinkedIn, etc. 3. Application questions. Let me read these questions for you. Are you legally authorized to work in the US? Simply answer yes or no. Will you now or in the future require sponsorship for employment visa status? For example, H-1B visa. If you need to know more about this H-1B visa, check out this video. They'll help you understand what it is and how to get it. 4. Voluntary disclosures. You can select your gender, answer if you are Hispanic or Latino, and your ethnicity. For me, I select Asian, and answer if you are a protected veteran or not. Simple. 5. Self-identity. Simply select your language, English or your mother language, and answer if you have a disability or not. 6. Review. You can review all your answers and edit if needed. 7. Submit. Once you submit it, you will get the confirmation email. This is it for today. I hope you find this very helpful for your job application. Please leave me a comment below. If you like this video, make sure to click on like and subscribe. Thank you very much. See you next time.